Welcome to this masterclass on improving your laptop's battery longevity. We will cover practical strategies for battery health. We are focusing on how you can make your laptop battery last longer over the full life of the device. Battery longevity is how long your battery remains healthy over time. Every charge cycle causes minor wear. Rule 1. Practice smart charging habits. Keep your charge between 20 and 80% for daily use, and avoid fully charging or fully discharging often. Rule 2. Control the heat. Heat is the battery's biggest enemy. Use your laptop on a hard, flat surface and regularly clean the vents to maintain an ideal operating temperature. Rule 3. Use smart power settings. Lower your screen brightness, enable sleep mode promptly, and close background apps. Also, keep your drivers updated for power efficiency. Rule 4. Keep your software clean. Schedule antivirus scans during charging. Disable unnecessary startup apps and check for malware, which drains batteries fast. Rule 5. Calibrate your battery once a month if the meter seems inaccurate. Calibration helps the operating system report the correct percentage for better reliability. Rule 6. Store your laptop correctly. If storing for weeks or months, charge the battery to 50% and keep it in a cool, dry place. Here is your 6-rule battery care checklist. Remember to charge smart, control heat, optimize power settings, keep software clean, calibrate when needed, and store correctly. The key takeaway is to treat your battery like a living cell. Small habits today mean a longer-lasting battery tomorrow. Follow the 6 rules for better longevity.